Today I'll show you how to use Storyboards AI for generating storyboards. Begin by going to their website and signing up for a free account. Now go to the AI generator and enter your prompt. Add details like type, duration, style, and a description of your vision. This helps ensure that AI understands your requirements accurately. Once it's submitted, the AI will generate an initial concept by splitting the project into scenes, with each frame including titles, descriptions, and actions. You can manually adjust any of these elements for refinement. You can use AI to generate images for each storyboard frame based on your style preference. Alternatively, you can opt to manually draw premium sketches for more complex visuals. You can revise AI-generated frames by adjusting actions or descriptions, or change the art style. Character AI ensures character consistency over multiple frames. Lastly, you can save your storyboard in PDF format, which you can easily share with team members or clients. Don't hesitate to regenerate scenes or concepts if they don't align with your vision initially. AI is fast, so you can experiment. And while AI can automate much of the process, certain creative elements like character consistency may benefit from manual adjustments. Relying solely on AI without reviewing the storyboard might result in a disconnect from the initial creative vision. Always review thoroughly before the final output. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.